The new boldly designed Ford Everest is now available with a powertrain 3.2-litre Duratorque TDCi engine and a 6-speed powershift automatic transmission. The Everest is packed with smart technology and comes standard with many safety features, including anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability control, hill start assist, roll stability control, traction control, and hill descent control in 4-wheel drive. The 7 airbags, including side curtain airbags and driver's knee airbag, contribute to the Everest's 5-star NCAP rating. To take the vehicle out of transport mode, turn the ignition off, then on. Depress the brake 5 times. Then press the hazard button 4 times. This should be carried out within 10 seconds of each other. Refer to the specific PDI process for the model of vehicle you have taken delivery of. The vehicle identification number, which is a 17-digit combination of letters and numbers, is located on the bottom left-hand side of the windscreen. The vehicle identification plate, which contains the vehicle identification number and maximum weights, is located on the bottom of the lock side of the passenger door aperture. Refer to the owner's manual for more information. Auto HID headlamps are available with LED daylight running lamps and are part of the signature lighting. The headlamps are illuminated for a set time when the flash to pass switch is activated. Automatic high beam switches headlamps between high and low beam when approaching traffic is detected. In addition to the auto windshield wipers and washers, the rear wiper will operate on intermittent when the transmission is in reverse and the front wipers are on. The headlamp washers activate when the headlamps are on and the windshield washer is activated. The electronically operated rear liftgate can be opened and closed using the front power liftgate switch, situated on the instrument panel, or from the liftgate button on the key remote, or from the liftgate release switch, situated near the license plate light. The rear power liftgate switch, situated on the inside of the liftgate, is only for closing. The desired liftgate opening height can be programmed by the operator. The spare wheel, jack, wheel brace and winch extension tool are located in the stowage compartment under the rear floor. Lift the stowage bin lid. Remove the locking strap and tools. Assemble the wheel brace and winch extension. Lift the cover to expose the wheel winch. Insert the wheel brace and winch extension tool into the hole. Turn counterclockwise until the wheel lowers and rests on the ground. Pass the bracket and cable through the wheel opening. The tire pressure monitoring system monitors the tire pressure via a valve stem mounted sensor on each tire. The driver is alerted if one of the tires falls below a safe pressure. Only specified jacking point may be used for jacking up and supporting the vehicle. Towing points are situated on the front and rear bumper fascia. The Everest cannot be flat towed, as transmission damage may occur and must be towed using a flatbed only. The fuel cap is on the left-hand side and controlled by central locking. The exterior rear view mirrors incorporate the turn indicator, puddle lamp, heating element, bliss LED and are adjusted and folded electronically. When the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert is activated, a yellow warning light on the exterior side mirror flashes to warn of a car in the blind spot. The panoramic roof panel is electronically operated using the roof panel switches on the overhead console. The sliding glass panel can be opened, closed, or the front section can be tilted into a vent position. The one-touch feature moves the sliding glass panel or sunshade to the fully open or closed position. A reverse parking camera located on the liftgate between the license plate lamps assists in parallel parking and reversing. The camera image is displayed on the infotainment screen. Fixed and active guidelines assist the driver with aligning the vehicle with an object. The manual zoom assists the driver in connecting or towing a trailer, allowing them to zoom closer to an object behind the vehicle. With 7 leather-upholstered seats, there's plenty of room. The front driver and passenger power seats are 8-way heated for added comfort. The third row seats have a movable 50-50 split fold that can be folded flat for extra load space. The one-touch power fold and unfold is controlled using a switch located on the quarter trim panel of the rear compartment. It can only be operated when the transmission is in park and the rear liftgate is open. The interior rear view mirror has auto-dimming and will either become darker or reflectant depending on the amount of light the forward and rearward facing sensors detect. The Everest is equipped with an intelligent 4-wheel drive system which is always active and requires no driver input. The following functions can be selected at any time and work in conjunction with the terrain management system: electronic locking rear differential, low-range 4-wheel drive, and hill descent. Electronic locking differential is for use in mud, rocks, sand, or any off-road condition where maximum traction is needed. It can be activated electronically by the TMS or manually using the locking switch. The Terrain Management System, TMS, continuously monitors vehicle conditions and automatically adjusts the power distribution between the front and rear wheels. TMS allows the driver to select the 4-wheel drive mode that best suits the terrain and driving conditions. The following TMS modes are available: normal, snow, gravel, grass, sand and rock. The instrument panel cluster alerts the driver of the vehicle conditions and system operations. The electric power assist steering wheel is equipped with control clusters to safely keep your hands on the wheel. The adaptive cruise control with collision warning system auto-corrects speed when sensing slow-moving traffic ahead. The radar sensor is situated below the front grille. When the collision warning system detects a potential collision, a warning chime is sounded and a red LED warning light projects onto the windscreen, as demonstrated in this video. Cross-traffic alert system uses radar sensors at each side of the rear bumper fascia to detect approaching vehicles while reversing. A series of tones sound and a message is displayed. The lane keeping system incorporates the lane keeping alert by vibrating the steering wheel if the vehicle drifts into the next lane when the turn indicator is not on. The lane keeping aid automatically steers the vehicle back into the lane by utilizing the camera on the interior rear view mirror, as demonstrated in this video. The Ford Everest is available with 3 types of parking aid systems: rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, and active park assist, which incorporates front and rear parking aids. At the press of a button, active park assist helps find a parallel parking space and steers itself in, while the driver controls the accelerator, gear shift, and brakes, as demonstrated in this video. The 8-inch infotainment Sync 2 touchscreen system makes menu navigation easy. The 4 corners of the touchscreen control the audio system, communications and paired phones, navigation, and climate control. These can also be controlled via voice commands. Media hub sockets include CD, USB, SD card, and auxiliary ports to deliver music. The audio system incorporates 10 speakers, including a subwoofer and amplifier. The Everest is equipped with a dual automatic temperature control system which can be operated in either manual or automatic mode, with air temperature controlled in a single zone or dual zone. The rear climate control enables the second row passengers to control the airflow and temperature independently from the front passengers. The rear of the center console is supplied with a DC-AC inverter which converts 12 volts DC to 230 volts AC. The power outlet can power electric devices that require up to 150 watts. The inverter continually powers the AC outlet when the engine is running and for up to a maximum of 75 minutes with the engine off. The gateway module incorporates the DLC and acts as a central gateway to translate the messages across all 4 main vehicle communication networks. It is located below the instrument panel near the steering column, behind the fuse box cover panel. Release the bonnet catch to open the bonnet. The Duratorque engine contains engine coolant reservoir cap, brake and clutch fluid reservoir cap, engine oil dipstick, washer fluid reservoir cap, air filter, engine oil filler cap, fuel filter, water drain and trap, engine compartment fuse box, and battery. The pre-fuse box is located in the engine compartment, attached to the positive battery post. The engine compartment fuse box contains high current fuses that protect the vehicle's main electrical systems. No matter where you want to go, the all-new Ford Everest takes you there.